umaga, nag-rent kami ng boat at mangingisda kami. Rent namin ito at ang dalawang professional fishermen. Dadalhin nila kami doon sa spot na sabi nila ay 100% makakawin kami ng malaking isda. Okay. I'm sure he got one. I'm sure he got one. Alright, not too bad. Another yellow tail. Sipul. There you go. Oh, yellow tail again. Yeah. Lamong. Alright. Lamong. Look at that. 3. 3 tuna. Sini.
You sure, no?
Come on. Where's that?
Is it you, Daddy?
No, it's fish.
You got fish. You got fish.
Fish.
You got fish.
Come on.
I'm
Yeah!
Yay!
Come on. Put it in there.
Bring it in. Hurry. Grab the line, son.
All right. Wow.
Hurry, put it in there.
Look at that.
Good job, son.
Because it's so deep, so their eyes is popping up like this. The water is so deep. They have a pop eye. Pop eye, the sailor man. Hoot, hoot. This fish is beautiful for aquarium. Look at that. He's bluefish. Is it a parrotfish?
Looks like a triggerfish.
But they said it helps the environment, so we need to release. Okay, we catch this fish for our bait later. Okay. Big fish na yung aming target ngayon. Ang pain namin ay live bait, mga buhay na isda na nahuli namin kanina. So tignan natin kung anong mahuli natin. Sabi nila malalaki daw talaga. Let's see. Wow!
Fight.
Wow!
There you go.
Oh my goodness, so big! Oh my goodness, we just lost a big one.
Oh. Well, you want to hear they go. Wait.
Caught humping.